right twice a day. But here it isn't so. Your clock somewhere on the neutral ground between here and Thibodeau. Gravity's got no business here. Ram crying like a kid. He's crying up there in the attic where we done it. Because you got to be crazy. Yeah, you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to hang around. Yeah, you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to live in this town. Just like you, I prayed for rain, and then it rained all day. It rained and rained for 2 weeks and 2 nights. Make it go away. I went to ask the man, he don't know. His brother don't know either. In the church of the ignorance, I'm a stone believer. 'Cause you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to hang around. No, no, no. Yeah, you got to be crazy. Got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to live in this town. I'm gonna lay it out like the Hindus say. I'm saying there's a God that you wanna play. Yeah, she's up there laughing, man, I know it's true. And down here everybody's saying, how'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do. Yeah, you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to live in this town. Say this town's been bent many times, but it never broke. They say this place been asleep for so long, but it never woke. Now I used to pray to the Lord, God help us, deliver us from ease. Now I pray to the Lord, where are you? Won't you help us? Won't you please? Got to be crazy. Yeah, you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to hang around. Lord, you got to be crazy. You got to be crazy. You got to be crazy to live got to be stoned out your mind.